This is where it gets kind of cool. You see that more of that historic side, the old school side of this house is the kitchen. It's a galley kitchen, and this was not really meant for entertaining. This was meant for, they have a chef that, literally is back here and makes food for people, brings it out, however that works back in the day. But it's still really nice. I mean, yeah, obviously I probably need to redo the cabinets eventually. It may be a little older, but I mean, this is top of the line stuff, and that's just another part of this house that's just like, oh my God, like it just keeps getting better and better. Opens up to the courtyard. Kind of a small door, but again, it opens right to the center. I mean, everything's very intentional about this house, which is pretty cool. Obviously, I could go around and just pick out boom, 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 boom. Let's just bring a bunch of stuff in so Den can live in it. But I would rather kind of take that customer on a journey to show what the process is of making some of these bespoke custom pieces, because that's a big part of our business. And, maybe it would be awesome to go down to the factory, as they're making that piece. Or let's say we want a special sofa. Let's say this room, maybe I won't keep this sofa, maybe I will, but depending on how it goes, just showing all the things you can create at Greenfront to fit any space, especially something as kind of wild as this. I mean, you can get it done and have it at Greenfront. So just being able to show people that is an opportunity that we really haven't had.